This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and launching the KEX server so you have a running target to connect to. First, update packages and make sure Nethunter has root access. This avoids permission failures. Next, enable any required subsystems like SSH/VNC depending on your setup. Finally, start KEX with a specific port and password flag so the server announces a listening socket. Once done, you'll know the host, port, and auth method required for the client connection. Now you connect from the client device using the exact protocol the server published. That might be KEX client, a VNC viewer, or plain SSH with P and the advertised port. Make sure the client is on the same network or route to the server. NAT, VPN, or firewalls often block the handshake. Use the password you set or the SSH key pair that matches the server. If a host key mismatch appears, clear the old key and reattempt so trust can be re-established. Finish by verifying the session is stable and transferring any display or port forwards you need. If the connection fails now, inspect KEX and system logs to pinpoint socket, auth, or permission errors. Logs reveal missing dependencies or stale sockets. Restart the KEX service or the whole device. Sometimes a network interface reset clears port conflicts. Make sure to temporarily disable VPNs or host firewalls as the single most common blocker. Once connected, re-enable and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.